This is our 5-liter oxygen concentrator.
Okay, so you can see this is our 5-liter oxygen concentrator. Has a lower oxygen flow rate than the previous 10-liter model, but the oxygen concentration can be maintained over 90%, which is also medical-grade machine. It can provide enough oxygen to patients with milder symptoms.
And this model is mainly consists of main machine of the oxygen generator, and we also have optional remote control. And here is the flow meter and humidification bottle. The oxygen concentrator mainly includes the molecular sieve, absorption and separation device, control device, monitoring and alarm device of oxygen concentration, detection device of oxygen flow rate, and filtering device.
Yes, let's show these to our friends. So here you can see this is the display screen and flow meter, and also the humidifier bottle, timing button, and indicator light. Also, you can see the air source switch here and air outlet.
And for this model, the accumulated time can be displayed while the equipment is on. Let the user know more about the use of this machine, then they can check and clean the machine according to the time of the machine and ensure the safety and long service life.
Yes. Okay, so our machine will alarm when the oxygen concentration is too low and when there is fault for the pressure circulation system to remind the user that there is a problem with the machine and it needs to be adjusted and repaired in time. With this function, it ensures the safety during the operation and prolong the service life of the machine.
Besides, our machine equips with over temperature protection for the compressor and the cooling fan, which can prevent compressor and fan overheating from causing machine failure and risk. Guarantee the safe operation of the compressor and the entire equipment.
Okay, now let's show to our friends how to operate this 5-liter oxygen concentrator. Yeah, before the first use of the oxygen concentrator, we need to inject the pure water or distilled water into the humidification bottle at the bottom of the maximum line. And then we need to insert the oxygen cannula into the oxygen outlet. And then we need to turn on the machine. You will hear the sound of air exchange, indicating that the equipment is now under normal operation. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes for the oxygen to reach the stipulated concentration from power on. And the indicator light of oxygen concentration will turn green from red. And the flow adjusting button on the flow meter shall be rotated to the required. Meanwhile, there will be air bubble around the filter core of the humidification bottle. And oxygen will be output at the outlet of the bottle. Now we can see the oxygen will output.
As you can see, these are the standard configuration. Just like the 10-liter oxygen concentrator, we also will provide 2 pieces oxygen cannula, the filter cotton and secondary filter cotton.
Yes. Lastly, let's talk about the maintenance. It is vital to the service life of the compressor and molecular sieve for cleaning or replacing the filter strip. Thus, we need to clean or replace it in time. The primary filter cotton shall be cleaned once every half a month, and the secondary filter cotton shall be cleaned according to the actual condition and convenience. Generally, it needs to be cleaned once every month.
That's right.